So we're going to go through the 10 words that are on page 164. Number 1 is deplete, decline, species, degenerate, recycling, copious, detect, invade, foster, critique. So we're going to read the words again, say the definition, and put the words in a sentence. In addition, we're going to look at a few synonyms and antonyms of each word. So, deplete. The stress is on this area. Deplete. When you deplete a supply, you use it up or spend all of it. Now let's put the word deplete in a sentence. Who depleted my marshmallows? Now let's think of a few antonyms for the word deplete. One antonym is expand, another fill, increase. A synonym of this word deplete is bankrupt, drain, exhaust. Decline. The stress is on the second syllable. Decline can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, something that experiences a decline has a drop or a loss. As a verb, if something were to decline, it would be decreasing or losing in some way. Now let's think of a sentence using the word decline as a noun. The decline of food had affected the city negatively. Now let's use decline as a verb. His health had declined tremendously within 5 days. Now, number 3, species. The stress is on the first syllable. Species is a noun. Two living things are of the same species or classification if their characteristics are similar enough to produce offspring. Now let's put the word species in a sentence. There are hundreds of species of insects living in the garden. Now, can you give me a few synonyms for the word species? One is caste, another class, another kind. Number 4, degenerate. Now, degenerate here is a verb. The second syllable is stressed. In the other situation, it can be an adjective. Here we have degenerate. Now let's look at degenerate as a verb. If something begins to generate, it gets weaker and falls apart. That's a verb. Now let's use the word degenerate in a sentence. My cap started to degenerate within 2 weeks due to the excessive heat. Now, as an adjective, when you describe something as degenerate, you are saying it has fallen into a low mental or physical state. Now, let's put the word degenerate in a sentence. Daniel's doll is degenerate. Number 5. Recycling. Recycling. This is a noun. When you participate in recycling, you reuse or break something down so it can be reprocessed. Can you give me recycling in a sentence? I'll give you a few seconds to think. Okay, let's go. Recycling can help us to reduce deforestation. Okay? Number 6. Copious. Copious. And this is an adjective. When you have a copious amount of something, you have more than enough or even an overflowing supply. Copious. Now let's put the word copious in a sentence. Marisha has a copious amount of pencils in her drawer. Now let's think of a few synonyms for the word copious. One is abundant, another adjective is plenty. A few antonyms may include lacking, meager, scarce. Number 7, detect. Detect. The stress is on the second syllable. And this is a verb. When you detect something, you discover or notice it. Now let's put the word detect in a sentence. The lion had detected the smell of a bear. Now let's think of a few synonyms for the word detect. One synonym is catch, another notice. A few antonyms of the word detect are miss or overlook. Number 8, invade. Invade. The stress is on the second syllable, and this is a verb. When something managed to invade a place, it enters and spreads throughout it, often in a harmful way. Now let's use the word invade in a sentence. The soldiers had invaded the town. Now let's give a few synonyms for the word invade. One synonym is attack, another infringe. A few antonyms are surrender, yield. Number 9, foster. The stress is on the first syllable of the word, foster. And this is a verb in one situation and another adjective. As a verb, when you foster something, you encourage and support it. Now let's use the word foster in a sentence. The man had fostered the homeless child for years. Now, as an adjective, foster parents are people who care for a child as parents do, often temporarily, and who are not related by blood. Now let's use the word foster in a sentence as an adjective. My father was the foster parent of that child. Number 10, critique. The stress is on the second syllable, critique. And there are two parts of speech to this word, a noun and a verb. A noun, a written criticism or analysis of something, is called a critique. Now let's use the word critique in a sentence as a noun. I am reading a critique on my homework assignment. As a verb, when you evaluate or examine something, you critique it. Now let's put the word critique in a sentence as a verb. I do not want to critique my mother's cake until I have completed all of it. And let's look at a few synonyms for the word critique. As a noun, analysis, examination, judgment. Antonym for the word critique as a noun is guess. Now let's go to the verb critique. And a few synonyms are examine, judge. A few antonyms as a verb is ignore. Another, do not pay attention. Thank you for listening.